Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix security or firewall settings might be blocking the connection on Windows 11, 10, 8 and 7. Let's fix it guys. Go to search menu and type cmd. Right click on the command prompt and select run as administrator and select yes. Now check my video description for these commands used in the video. Just to copy and paste it one by one and press enter. After finishing both commands, just to close stuff here and restart your PC. After restarting your PC, you can check if the problem solved or not. If not, method 2, you just need to go to search menu and type control panel. Click on open it. Select view by two large icons and select Windows Defender Firewall. Select restore defaults option. Select the restore defaults option and select yes and restore the settings to default. After that, you can check if the problem solved or not. If not, method 3, you just need to go to search menu and type network reset. Click on open it. Select the reset now option and select yes and reset your network settings. After that, just close stuff here and restart your PC. After restarting your PC, you can check if the problem solved or not. I hope one of these methods fixed your problem. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like guys. You can also subscribe me and support me guys. Thank you.